Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 2 fractions, decimals, and rational numbers. In that exercise 5, the fourth question is given: express the following in kilograms. In that first question is 190 grams. 190 grams. Okay, now G stands for grams. Clearly we know that is 1000 grams. 1000 grams is equals to, that is what, Nana? 1000. Simply 1000 grams is equals to, that is 1 kg. Yes. From this we can write 1 gram is equals to, that is 1 by 1000 kg. Yes or no? 1 gram is equals to, we can write it as 1 by 1000 kg. Now I am going to write 190 grams is equals to, that is 190 by 1000 kg. Clearly 0 cancel చేస్తున్నా. Then we get, that is 19 by 100 kg. Okay, here clearly denominator ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని జీరోస్ ఉన్నాయి? డినామినేటర్లో 2 zeros ఉన్నాయి, and numerator part 2 numbers are there. Then we can write as usually number, but before we should keep the point. Here 2 zeros are there now. From right to you count 1 2. Before keep a point, that is 0.19 kg. Okay na? So like this we can express 190 grams into kgs. Okay na, students? Now see one more question in this main, that is third one. That is third one, 44 kg 80 grams. 44 kg 44 kilograms 80 grams. Okay now, already what is our question? Express the following in kilograms. Already 44 అనేది kilograms లోనే ఉంది. Yes, it is given in kilograms only. We just convert 80 grams into kilograms. Then after by adding you will get total. Okay, as usually same, 1000 grams is equals to, that is 1 kg. From this we can write 1 gram is equals to 1 by 1000 kg. So I am taking simply here 80 grams. 80 grams is equals to, that is 80 by 1000 kg. 0 cancel, simply we can write it as 8 by 100 kg. Here down 2 zeros are there, but upside only one number. That's why you write first of all 8, then after left side you write 0. 1 2 numbers after you keep a point. So that is nothing but 0.08 kg. Okay, so now we can write it as 44 kg 80 grams. That is equals to, this is G nano grams. That is you can simply 44 ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి సింపుల్గా కేజీస్ తీసుకోండి ఫర్ యువర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ పర్పస్ అంటే కేజీస్ గ్రామ్స్. 44 kilograms and 0 grams. ఓకేనా? సో నెక్స్ట్ here also 0 kilograms 0.08. Okay, so by adding these two you get, that is 0.44. so completely by adding what we get, total, that is 44.08 kilograms. So 44 kg 80 grams, that is equals to what, 44.08 kilograms. Like this you can express. Okay, now see the next one. The next one is given, write the following decimal numbers in expanded form. Question number 5, write the following decimal numbers write the following decimal numbers in expanded form. Okay, in that first one is given 55.5. So before going to explain this one, I just want to say again, I want to remind you, we know a decimal number, it has a two parts. A decimal number has a two parts. For example, I'm taking this one only, 55.5. It is a decimal number. Yes, it has two parts. From point ki left side ఉన్న part ఏంటిది? This part is called what? Whole part. Okay na? That is whole number part. ఈ పాయింట్ కి రైట్ సైడ్ ఉన్న పార్ట్ ఇది వచ్చేసి we call it as a decimal part. ఈ మధ్యలో ఉన్న ఈ డాట్ ఏమంటారు? we call it as decimal point. ఓకేనా? సో పాయింట్ కి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ యాజ్ యూజువల్లీ వన్స్, టెన్స్, హండ్రెడ్స్, థౌజండ్స్, 10,000s, lakhs, మన యాజువల్గా ఇండియన్ న్యూమరల్ సిస్టంలో ఎలా అయితే చేస్తామో ఎక్స్పాండెడ్ ఫామ్ యాజువల్లీ సేమ్ ఉంది ఈ పాయింట్కి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్. ఓకే, లైక్ దిస్ వన్స్, టెన్స్, హండ్రెడ్స్, థౌజండ్స్, 10,000s, lakhs, it will go. And from point to right side in decimal part, next digit tenths, hundredths, thousands, like this it will continue. Okay na students? Now see here, the expanded form of 55.5. Its solution you can write 55.5. You can write it as, ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి ఇది ones place, this is tens place. So that is 5 in tens place 50 plus 5 in ones place, that is 5 plus here point after right side tenths అంటే 5 ఏ ప్లేస్ లో ఉంది? tenths, that is what nana 5/10. ఓకేనా? సో దిస్ is the required expanded form of the particular given decimal number. Okay, now see one more question based on this model. In this main only next question is given in that fifth question 1234.56. 1234.56. Okay students, so this is the given question 1234.56. ఈ పాయింట్ తర్వాత you just read it as a digits 56 and read చేయదు, you just read it as a 56. Okay na? Now see its expanded form 1234.56. So point, just now I said now point ki left side ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousands place, like this. Okay, so then we can write it as din ela rayachu 1 in thousands place, that's why 1000, 1 into 1000, 1000 plus 2 in 100 place, that's why 2 into 100, that is 200 plus 3 in tens place, that's why 3 tens are 30 plus 4 in ones place, that is 4 ones are 4 plus ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి 5 in tenths place, that is what ra 5/10. 6 వచ్చేసి hundredths place, that is what ra 6/100. అదే ఇంకా ఇక్కడ ఏదైనా డిజిట్ ఉంటే నెక్స్ట్ thousands place, 10,000s place, it will continue. ఓకేనా? So this is the required expanded form of the particular given decimal number. You to take your own decimal numbers and you just write the expanded form. Okay na? So this is just basic. Now see the sixth main. The sixth main, the question is given, write the place value of 3 in the following decimal numbers. Question number 6. Write the following, write the place value of 3. Write the place value of 3 in the following decimal numbers. In the following decimal numbers. Place value of 3. The first question is given 3.46. 3.46. What is the place value of 3 nana? Indulo place value of 3 ante 3 ఏ place లో ఉంది? 1's place లో ఉంది. So we can write it as the place value of 3 is what? It is in 1's place, that's why it is equals to 3 only. Is it clear, students? So the place value of 3 is, that is 3, because of it is in 1's place, 3 1s are 3 we get. So this is the required answer. Now see one more question based on this model, that is question number 5. 794.037. 794.037. So this is the question. What is the place value of 3? Place value of 3. You can write the place value of 3 is, that is ఎక్కడ ఉంది పాయింట్కి, పాయింట్ రైట్ సైడ్ 10s 100s. So that is what 3/100, or we can write it as 0.0. Okay na? So we can write a 3/100. So this is the place value of the 3. Like that you to take the different numbers and find the place value of you take your own numbers. ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ లో 3 ఇచ్చాడు, you take different numbers and try it. Okay na students? Thank you.